All right, welcome to iFocus Labs. In this video, we're going to be going through our all-in-one software, iFocusHQ, a quick overview demo for you. So, just to make sure you're in the right spot, why are you here? So, if you landed here, then you're probably a digital entrepreneur looking to start or scale your business. And if that's not you, feel free to leave now. I don't want to waste your time and talk to the wrong people here. So the goal of this is for digital entrepreneurs. My goal is to help you succeed. I want to show you how you can easily build and scale your online business. And if this resonates with you, great. And if not, no worries, no hard feelings. And why am I confident? This is exactly what I wish I had when I started. Being a digital entrepreneur is tough, right? I had no money. I had no systems. I had no help. But now I'm going to help you out with all three. So if you're still sticking around and this does resonate with you, I want to congratulate you for taking action. That's honestly a first step. I know you get in the echo chamber of social media and you think everyone's doing this, but breaking news, they're honestly not. So if you're here, you're in the top 1% there. And you're my kind of person. You're an action taker. And honestly, that's an incredible trait in life. If you don't follow through with this, at least, you'll use it later in life, obviously. So the goal of this video is to figure out if I can help you. If this sounds like you so far, I probably can. But like I said, if not, no worries. And I'm going to try to make it as quick and streamlined as possible so you know pretty fast if it's not for you, and I don't waste your time. Like I said, yep, not wasting your time. And then if it is for you, you'll definitely know, and then we'll go more in depth after you sign up. Sound like a deal? All right. So let's go. Quick overview of iFocusHQ. What is it? What are we doing here? So like I said, it's an all-in-one software for digital entrepreneurs. For example, you can create communities, create your courses, schedule your content, automate your marketing, plus you get support from our community and more. My goal is to help you to get customers, keep customers, and then have them tell their friends. Word of mouth is the highest ROI you can get in business. So if we can do that, we're on the right track. So if that sounds like something that you're interested in, stick around because you're gonna love this. I promise. And if not, leave me a comment and let me know. I failed on my promise, but I think you'll be impressed. So number one, what can it do? We can create unlimited courses and unlimited communities, free or paid. And then you can configure them and customize them however you want. So this will replace school and Kajabi. You don't need them anymore, all in one spot. So let me ask you a quick question before we get moving here. If you only had access to software like this and nothing else, don't you think you'd be able to scale your business? Cool. I thought so as well. Let me give you a quick look at what it looks like. So like I said, here's your portal. Here's a couple courses that I started that are in the communities. Easy enough. Create product from scratch or import from Kajabi. Create whatever you want. And then in your communities, head over to the groups, and you can create as many communities as you want. When you go in, you can configure them, free or paid, recurring, trials, create group, easy enough, name them, give them destination, brand them, etc. So you get the idea. Unlimited communities, and then you can plug unlimited courses in those communities. Do whatever you want. So moving right along. So now that you have your communities, what do you do next? Well, you have access to our private community, our paid community of like-minded digital entrepreneurs who also use the software and are building their online business. So you're never alone. You can always ask questions and get the answers and the help as well as the accountability that you need, whatever you want. And then this will be updated regularly as well. I'll add courses in there to give you legitimate walkthroughs on how to get up and running, how to get customers, how to create courses. And then if there's something that's not there that you want, leave a comment right in the community and I'll add it for you. And oh, by the way, you'll see throughout this quick tutorial here, I'm using this exact system. I'm not saying one thing and doing the other. I'm actually using it because it works. create content, create a community, put courses in those communities, and automate the process. So like I said, you can just copy my system. Easy as that. So I'll show you real quick what that looks like. You'll be able to jump into our community, post and network with other like-minded digital entrepreneurs, hop over to learning, and then literally go right through the courses to onboard you. Easy enough. Shows you how to get up and running in literally one day. How to log in, how to create communities, how to do messages, how to add your domains, credits, upgrade or cancel. Like I said, you can customize this as well. Easy. Cool. So you may have guessed, I'll ask you this question again. If you only had access to the community of like-minded digital entrepreneurs that you can ask questions, help overcome obstacles, accountability, people who are going through the same thing as you, don't you think if you had just the community, that'd be worth it? Wouldn't you think you'd be able to scale your business if you had access to that? I think so too. So moving on. So now that we have what we want to build, we have our courses, we put them in our communities, we have a community that we can ask questions and get help. What's next? Well, what about traffic? We need to get people there, right? What if you could automate it all? So we have all the software we need to build our business, and we have the community to lean on. Traffic. All right. Now you can access our marketing automations and workflows, send out email and text campaigns, automated DM conversations, automated workflows, schedule out your content, smooth onboarding. The options are endless. Let me show you real quick. So imagine this, all right? Picture this. You're on Instagram. You post a video about your community, and then you give a call to action, comment community below, and I'll send you more information, okay? This feels pretty organic. Trigger word, boom. On your Instagram post, it triggers the word, say community. I just have a test for here. Waits for 2 seconds. The system will go in and automatically respond to the comment, check your DMs. Yo, check your DMs. Configure this however you want, okay? Meanwhile, this runs automatically in the background. Then 30 seconds later, it'll pop into their DMs, say, yo, you want me to send over that information to confirm interest again? This sounds literally human and one-on-one. Prompt them with a yes or no answer. And then from there, they can take whatever path they want. Yes, I'm interested in more information. Cool. Send them your free course. Send them the community. Send them a lead magnet. Book a call. Whatever you want, okay? All running on autopilot. In the background, you can get as simple or as advanced as you want. Tag them as a lead. Tag them as an Instagram lead. Follow up with an email. Then you can even send yourself an internal notification to say, hey, new lead from an Instagram DM. Follow up. Give them a call right away. Email them right away. Or welcome them to the community. Okay? Do you see the power in this? Do you think that if you had just these automations, just the automations, that you could scale your business? I think so too. I think so too. Options are endless, like I said. And again, I'm using this same exact strategy. So I'll be able to make extremely simple walkthrough videos that you can just copy and you just do it. And oh, by the way, I'll even load up the accounts with the templates and you can just plug and play and add your own information. Copy my system and then jump in the community and ask questions, and we all do it together and we all find best practices and we see what's working and we'll see what's not. And together we can all scale our businesses and all be great online. Like I don't know, you can see my excitement because it's that easy. So like I said, third time's a charm. If you only had access to the automation tools, don't you think that's worth it? Don't you think that you would be able to scale your business if you could just automate your DMs, automate your emails, automate your follow-ups, automate your onboarding? Okay, so just to recap, we now have everything that we need to build and scale our online business. unlimited courses and communities, access to our private community of digital entrepreneurs. By the way, all using the same software and going through the same struggles. Courses, tools, resources, how to scale the software, how to use the software, how to scale your business, and they're all updated regularly. And if you don't see something there, leave a comment and we'll make it and we'll add it. Okay? Easy enough. So, here's the question. Are you ready to take action? You know what you're building. You leverage the community for help. You have access to the automation tools. You now have everything you need, an entire online business ran on autopilot. Oh yeah, and I forgot to mention, you can combine that trifecta, right, with unlimited websites, unlimited funnels, your link in bio, and send them all to your custom domain. Oh, and by the way, I think we can go back for 1 second. I didn't even talk about scheduling out your content so you don't even have to do it manually. Link your socials. Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, X, TikTok, whatever you want. Save some drafts. Create a new post. Pick which account. Say you want it on your X. Wow, that's cool. You know what I mean? So now you can schedule out your content ahead of time. You can have the auto DMs follow up on the content. Send them DMs, smooth onboarding, personal. Doesn't even feel like a landing page or an opt-in page, anything like that. Give them access to your free community or your free course or your lead magnet or book a call, and from there they're in your system. It's a beautiful system. It's a beautiful system. And then last thing, like I said, unlimited funnels, unlimited websites, and oh look, you can link it with your own custom domain. Start.iFocusLabs.com. Split tests, do whatever you want. If you're in this funnel right now, you can see that it works, okay? And they only get better over time, and we'll make more courses and more tutorials over time as we improve and as we talk with the community. So heading back, still on the fence? If you are, that's okay. I'm sure you have some objections. I'll go through a few with you here. They're warranted, but they're easily dismissed. They are easily dismissed. Here's a few. I don't have enough money. Well, guess what? Right now, I'm giving it away for $1 a month. Okay? $1 a month, the dollar special to get us up and started. You can't say no to that. Well, I don't know where to start. We have the quick start guide like you saw and other courses to walk you through step by step, scaling your business, navigating your account. Courses already up and running with more to come. Well, I don't have the time. Okay, bullshit, because you just saw how you can automate all of your marketing. You can automate all of your onboarding. You can follow up with an email sequence and get them into the community, and then you can have the community help you answer questions. Debunked. Well, what if I get stuck? You have access to our private community of other digital entrepreneurs who are on the same software, building the same types of businesses in all different niches. I'm sure you'll find someone that is doing something similar as you, and you can share your wins, you can share your losses, you can share your struggles, and you can hold each other accountable. Okay? And if you're still stuck, leave a comment, and I'll make a video. Okay? We're in this together. I think I jumped ahead, but I'm just getting so excited. What if I have more questions? Post them directly in the community. Either other community members will answer your question because they're on the same path as you, or I'll jump in and I'll make a video. Easy as that. And then lastly, I would be very sad, but like I said, it's not for everyone. What if it just turns out it's not for me? It is one click cancel. Easy as that. I already made a video about it. It's in the community. No need to worry. Cancel. I know if that dollar is a big deal for you, take it back. Keep it. Whatever. And you can always come back later. I'm not going to excommunicate you from the community. I understand timing and I understand being a digital entrepreneur. Sometimes we're literally scraping by with Single digits in the bank account there. Trust me. No worries. All in good fun. Okay, so I'd love for you to stay, but if you don't, like I said, easy to cancel. No worries. So, like I mentioned before, I mean, this is like a ridiculous deal. $1 per month. By the way, think of all of the software that you get to cancel, and all the stress that you save by managing in one spot. And it's not even for hundreds of dollars. It is now for $1 per month. But obviously, I can't do this forever. So, for my transparency, I'm doing this to get early feedback and to seed the community with early adopters, people who know they want to build businesses. They're looking for help. Maybe they don't have the funds to purchase tons of different software. They need just that little bit of help to get going. This is for you. This is for you. This is what I wish I had when I was starting out. Oh my goodness, this would have been fucking unbelievable. Anyway, that's why I'm doing it. To get us off the ground. And it won't last forever. I don't know how long I'm going to do it for. We'll see how it works and how many people get in the community. But when it's gone forever. I'll never be able to go back to $1 a month. It'll go back up to $97 a month or whatever it'll be at. But I want you to succeed. So obviously get in while you can. All right. And after we build the solid base community, prices go back up to $97 a month. But these early adopters, if you jump in early, you use the software, you like the software, not only can you get a great deal from it, but then you can turn around and be an affiliate for the software, be a brand ambassador, affiliate for the software, and we'll give you a percentage of sales, and that'll be recurring. I'm thinking, don't hold me to it, I'm thinking it's going to be 20% per month recurring, just for passing along software that is unbelievable and works, and you use and you pass it to your community of other digital entrepreneurs. Another bonus for you there. So if you're watching this long, you're at least semi-interested. I commend you for your patience and your attention span. I know it's in short supply nowadays. So, I didn't even mean to say $1, but jump in for $1. Just jump in for $1. What do you have to lose? Cancel tomorrow. You know what I mean? What's a fucking dollar? Like, for real, I feel like, McDonald's doesn't even have $1 menu anymore. It's ridiculous. All right, it's not for you. Cancel, no harm done. Absolutely not worried about it. I want the best for you. I know that everyone can do this, but if the time is not right, no worries. Downside, limited if any, but your upside is infinite. So you no longer have any excuses. Now I'm just rambling here, but this is important at the end because I used to do this. I used to take time thinking and planning and waiting for the right time, etc., but it never comes. I learned infinitely more by just jumping in and doing it. Just jump in and do it, and you will figure it out on the way. I promise you that. And if you can't, leave a comment in the community, and I'll help you out. It's that easy. All right? Imagine where you'll be in 5 years. Do it for your future self. If you're building a community and building courses about subjects and things that you love from anywhere in the world, from your computer, all automated, I mean, is that even work? It's going to take a little bit in the beginning, but after everything's set up and you have your systems in place, is that even work? It's fun. It's fun. It's fun to build shit like that. All right. So, as you can see, hopefully this helped. And hopefully I made my point. But like I said at the beginning, although I think everyone can do this, and I truly mean that everyone can do it and should do it, I know the timing is not always right for everyone. So if it's not now, I will be here when you're ready. But just know that this dollar special ain't going to be around forever, okay? I might be over sooner than you think, so I urge you to get in. Because you don't want to let your opportunity slip through the cracks here. So, start.ifocuslabs.com or click the link below, and I'll see you inside the community. Take care.